Prawns, it is very important that we clean the prawns properly, because if you are not cleaning it properly, it is not good for health, because you have to take off all the dirt from the prawns. So this small video is just showing you how to clean the prawns. I have just taken here 4 prawns, 4 or 5 pieces of prawns, to show you how to clean it. First I am going to take out the outer cover, which is very easy to take off. You just have to pull it with your hands. And the tail portion, you just have to remove this outer shell. It will come off like this very easily. Slowly it will come off. You just have to keep on pulling the outer skin and the leg portion. Now I have cleaned 3 or 4 pieces. Now what you have to do is, you can see a specific lining here. This portion you can see in the prawn, this black portion. It is there on the bottom part, as well as it will be there on the top part also. The most important thing is that you have to take this lining off, because this is the dirt. And once we take this off, we can just wash our prawns and use it for cooking. So for taking this out, you can use a fork or a small knife. With the help of this knife, just try to pull this thing out. See, I have taken it out. Same with this side also. Again, you have to check on the top portion. Top portion you will have to prick it little bit, because it is little deeper inside the skin of the prawn. And you just pull it out. See, the dirt has come out here. Just have to check whether it is completely come out or not. Yeah, so this I have removed. Again here, same thing. This black lining is there. You have to pierce a knife or a fork with it, and you can just clean it. See, this dirt has come out from there. Till the tail you have to clean it properly. This thing will come out. Again, top portion also you have to just prick and see. As soon as you prick, this thing will come out. Like this, you have to clean all the prawns before you are making them, and then only you should wash and go for the next step, that is cooking the prawns. Thank you.
If you like our videos and channel, please like and subscribe.